For first-time use, clean the bean hopper and grind jar in warm soapy water. And with the grinder on a flat surface, attach the bean hopper at the top and turn clockwise until it's snug. Then, slide and center the lower grind jar into place. Next, choose your grind setting to match your brew method. Settings 1 to 3 for French press and a coarse grind. 5 to 7 for a medium grind, best for pour-over, siphon, or automatic drip. Or 8 for a fine grind when brewing espresso. Next, fill the bean hopper with desired amount of beans and flip the power switch up to begin grinding your coffee. When you have the right amount for your brew, simply flip the switch down, remove the ground jar, and prepare to brew a great cup of fresh coffee.
Baratza Sette 270. Professional functionality for home coffee enthusiasts. Thanks to its revolutionary gearbox and Burr set design, the Sette 270 retains almost no coffee between doses. Whole beans fall directly into the grind chamber and are passed directly down after grinding. Dose with incredible speed using the Sette 270. Control your dose with precision using the digital timer, which can be set to the 10th of a second and can hold 3 separate presets. Simply press the start button and the Sette 270 automatically provides precision dosing. Press and hold the start button for convenient pulses from the grinder for topping off your dose as needed. The convertible device holder allows for hands-free grinding, either directly into a portafilter, into the included grounds bin, or into most popular brewing devices. Adjust your grind size with exceptional precision across 30 macro steps of adjustment combined with a stepless micro-adjustment system. Cleaning or changing coffee is simple using the shut-off hopper. Dialing in the perfect espresso is easier than ever with a Sette 270. Baratza, we grind, you brew.